Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your AliExpress account password. So first we're going to go to our AliExpress app. Then next we're going to click on our account section on the lower right corner. Again we're going to click on settings on the top right corner. Then you're going to click on your profile. Then under here you're going to click on account information. Then here, as you can see, there's the password option. So before that, they're going to send you a verification code via your email. So once you verify that, you're going to write your new password as well as confirm that password. Then once you're done, I'm going to click on update password. So you've changed your password. This is how you do it. Make sure to check our other videos as well. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.